Hello everyone, today we're going to open the Hot Wheels car. Yeah, we're going to open the Hot Wheels car. I just got the same. Yeah, I just got the same cars. Yeah, my mom just told me. This is the racer car. And this is the racer car also, and that's also racer car. So we're gonna open this one. Okay. Wow, that was really fast. Just like opening my fidget spinner and a Hot Wheels. Okay, let's do the last one. This is the Hot Wheel racer car, and check this one out. This is really cool. This is really cool car. That's yellow and white. You see it? It's yellow and white. And the last one, we're going to open this one. That one too. Open. So we have the racer right here. There are two racer cars right here. Look at all these racer cars. Bye.